You want her to adore you, right? You want her to desire you, shower you with affection, and fulfill your relationship needs, right? If that's the kind of relationship you're looking for, I've got good news, because that's totally possible. Relationships should never be about begging or walking on eggshells or letting the other person walk all over you. Relationships should be tender and exciting and passionate, and it should include both people reaching out for the other. Far too many men feel rejected and lonely. They're failing at love because they're chasing women, and I'm about to share with you what to do instead. These secrets are what makes a woman crazy about you and helps her decide that you're the one she wants to spend the rest of her life with. Quick disclaimer. If you are looking for a fling, a toxic, exhausting relationship, and mind games that only lead to drama, this video is not for you. Like, at all. But if you're looking for magical, exciting, affectionate, lifelong love, then this video is definitely for you. So make sure you watch to the end. The first thing you need to know about chasing women is anytime in a relationship, I want you to pretend my hands are two people, okay? Anytime one person is chasing, it automatically implies that the other is running away. You never get close to each other. There's no affection. There's no tenderness. There's no connection because there's always someone chasing and always someone running away. It's empty and unfulfilling. It doesn't work. You can only have closeness when both people are pursuing each other. If they're running in any direction, it's towards each other. They're pursuing each other. A little bit of a fun fact that a lot of people, well, most people have no clue about. Women actually pursue men as well. When you have a relationship where two people are pursuing, it's magical and intoxicating and affectionate. And by the way, I'm actually wondering if you would like a video where I go into a little bit more detail about what it looks like when a woman is pursuing you. Is that something you would like to see? If it is, comment pursuing to let me know if that's something you want. So basically, you should never chase her because, again, there's no closeness there. If you ever feel like you have to chase a woman, odds are she's a toxic girl. That's not something you want to get involved with. Make sure you watch this video if you haven't yet. I'll put a link in the description below. So now that you understand that you both need to be pursuing each other, let's talk about some of the most powerful ways to show your interest and really ignite that fire of attraction. Sound good? Number one is to own your self-respect. Own your own self-respect. Here's the deal. Chasing is desperate. This is why it doesn't work. It actually can cause her to run away. Pursuing is confident, and that's what makes it sexy. Confidence is key. There's a lot of talk right now, a lot of guys worrying about making a woman respect you. And yes, you absolutely deserve respect. However, most of those concerns are probably coming from people who have interacted with toxic women in the past. The problem is most people are teaching how to cater to those toxic women that you don't want in your life anyway. And that's why these get respect from women tactics don't work, because you're trying to get respect from a toxic woman. The actual solution is to learn how to own your self-respect and create that confidence within yourself. As you do this, people naturally start to respect you more. That's just how we are as humans. It shows confidence. And like I said, confidence is sexy. So rather than desperately trying to chase her and get her attention, it's more effective and more fulfilling for everyone involved to own your self-respect and build that confidence. And yes, confidence is something you can create within yourself. One of the main things I teach, and one of the fastest results men see in my academy, is confidence. And this is coming from many men who had zero confidence to begin with. So it is something you can create. You don't have to feel desperate anymore. P.S. Before we get to our next tip, make sure you subscribe and ring that notification bell. My name is Melannie. I'm a Christian dating coach for men and your go-to source to learn how to have authentic love. You will only learn authentic strategies here. So So if you're looking for that affectionate, lifelong love, yeah, this is a place for you. So make sure you subscribe. Okay, the second tip, what you should do instead of chasing women is to learn what women's needs are. Whether people realize it or not, the women who are the very most attractive to men, the women who are irresistible, are the women who understand what men's needs are and how to fulfill them. It's that simple. When she fulfills your needs emotionally, mentally, eventually physically, it makes you want to be with her, right? The same is true for men who understand women's needs. This is again how two people pursue each other. They come together. They have that closeness and affection. That's what I help my clients with and why my academy focuses so heavily on this. Understanding her needs and how to fulfill them authentically is key to becoming absolutely irresistible and making her crazy for you. Now, I've prepared some free training for you to help you get started with this. Go to coachmelannie.com/masterclass. I'll put a link in the description below and a link in the pinned comment. You're going to learn 3 secrets there about women that most men honestly will never know. You'll know what's been keeping you from the love you deserve and how to permanently transform the way women respond to you. You'll also learn how you can join me in my academy today for only $53. This is a limited time offer, so it's definitely one you're going to want to take advantage of right now. Again, just go to coachmelannie.com/masterclass to watch that free training. Okay, the next thing to do instead of chasing women, my next tip for you is to show your interest in her and let her know where you want this to go. Let me ask you a question. Do you want to completely avoid the friend zone and completely avoid coming across creepy? You need to let her know right from the start that you're interested. And I mean romantically. Now notice I did not say that show her that you are desperate for her attention or that you're so madly in love you'll just roll over and die without her. No. That's very, very desperate. You don't want to do that. Instead, you want to come from a place of confidence. Confidently showing her that, yeah, you're interested. Obviously, you have a lot to offer and you're a pretty awesome catch and you're interested. And if she's interested too, fabulous. If she's not, okay, moving on. That's the mindset everyone has to have in dating. However, if you neglect to show that interest, that's where the trouble begins. It's like I teach in my academy. This is basically all pursuing is leading out and showing some initiative. Because remember, she's going to be pursuing you too in a feminine way. And when the two of you are doing this, the relationship is magic. Many people are afraid of pursuing because they truly don't understand how to do it in a way that sets you up for success instead of sets you up for failure. And if that is something you want to master so that you can have that closeness of the two of you pursuing, it takes two of you pursuing each other. If that's something you want to master, I can help you master this fast in my academy. And you'll learn more about how you can join me again there in that free masterclass as well. And the next tip for what to do instead of chasing her is to flirt with her. And this kind of goes along hand in hand with pursuing, but it's definitely worth spending a little extra time on. Flirting is just plain fun. It just is. And it's a great way to, as long as you come at it from a place of confidence, flirting is not desperate. It's exciting. It's fun. Flirting is one of the best ways to create attraction and keep it long term. When you approach flirting from a place of confidence, it makes her more and more curious about you. She can't, you're irresistible. She can't leave it alone. She wants to know you more and becomes more and more attracted to you. So don't desperately chase her. Instead, confidently throw in a little flirting and see what happens. Let's quickly recap what you've just learned about what to do instead of chasing women, what you can do to ignite that attraction and really help it grow. Sound good? Number 1 is to own your self-respect. When you respect yourself, other people naturally start to respect you as well. And it shows that confidence, which is incredibly attractive. Number 2, learn what women's needs are. If you want someone who fulfills your needs, you really need to understand what her needs are. And when you have 2 people doing this, holy cow, the relationship is amazing. Number 3, show your interest and let her know where you'd want this to go. This makes you appear appear more confident and masculine. It also helps you avoid the dreaded friend zone. It helps her see you as an attractive, sexy man rather than a desperate weirdo who's chasing her. And number 4 is to flirt with her. Every time flirting comes from a place of confidence, it's something we just really can't resist. It makes a relationship fun and exciting and definitely creates more and more attraction. Thank you so much for watching, my amazing friend. Be sure to subscribe and ring the notification bell if you haven't yet, and share this video with a friend. If you want a video on ways women pursue men, comment pursue to let me know. And I have to give a huge shout out. Thank you to those of you who are so generous and supportive with the super thanks. It truly helps me continue to bring you this high value content. So if you value Christian, high quality, authentic strategies, consider using the super thanks. It means a lot to me, so thank you. If you don't yet follow me on social media, there are links in the description below, and I share exclusive content in my Instagram stories, so make sure you especially follow me there. Thank you so much again, my amazing friend, and have an amazing day. Hi, Secret End of the Video Club. How you doing? I'm doing pretty good too. Okay, so we have 2 special words for the end of the video today. I know. Switching things up a little bit. So the special words for the end of the video today are video games. Why? Because my favorite video game just had an update come out, and I have been trying so hard to exercise every ounce of self-control I have not to play it. But now the video is over, and I'm going to go play it. So that's what's been in the back of my mind the whole time. So anyway, that's why that's what the word is. If you watch to the end of the video, comment video games so that I know. I always look forward to your comments. So thanks for leaving them. And never forget that you're awesome. And P.S. bonus tips if you like video games too, and you tell me in the comments. You know, we can be nerds together. It's fine. It's cool. Some people are like, girls don't like video games. And I'm like, hello. Some of us do. Don't talk trash about us. I'm just saying. Okay, I got off on a little rant there. That's never happened before either. Okay. I think we're done here. Good job. I got a video game to play. Okay, bye.